The built environment is absolutely essential to society. We utterly depend on it. If the built environment doesn't work, then society doesn't work. And so we really need to make sure that we can understand and use the built environment the best way we possibly can. I'm Mark Enzer. I'm a strategic advisor within Mott MacDonald, and I'm a visiting professor at the University of Cambridge and Imperial College London. I've been with Mott MacDonald for a really long time, nearly 40 years, and in that time I've been amazingly privileged to see infrastructure from lots of different angles. So now I think what I'm seeing is the whole of the built environment and how it can serve both people and nature and drive better outcomes. But I don't think it can get there if we see the built environment just as a series of construction projects. Really, we have to see it as a system of systems with a purpose, and that purpose is to enable people and nature to flourish together for generations. I think this work of systems thinking fits absolutely perfectly with Mott MacDonald's purpose, because really what that's about is a societal improvement and driving better outcomes. And that's what systems thinking does. It starts with the outcomes, but then tries to work out how you can get those better outcomes from intervening more effectively with the systems. And those systems are our built systems and natural systems. But unless we understand them better, then we can't intervene effectively and can't deliver those outcomes. Digital twins in particular, really useful for understanding parts of the system. So you can have a digital twin pretty much of anything you can imagine. The essence of it is that there's a connection between digital and physical. From the physical world into the digital world, there's a data flow so that the digital world and the model within there can start to understand the physical world. But then there's a connection back again, that once you have used that data to generate insight, make decisions, then what you do is drive action back in the physical world. So you've got this two-way connection. You've got data going one way and you've got interventions going the other. The National Digital Twin Programme originated with a report that came from the National Infrastructure Commission. It was called Data for the Public Good. The idea of it really wasn't to have one huge digital twin of everything, but to have an ecosystem of connected digital twins. And so that was picked up by Cambridge University in something called the Centre for Digital Built Britain. I had the privilege of being in there, being the head of the National Digital Twin Programme. And what we did to start with really is to define the space, to define what it is we're talking about, come up with what the ambition is, guided completely by that idea of using data for public good. I think the fellowship is a fantastic idea to really demonstrate a recognition of the importance of the technical content, because that's really what Mott MacDonald is all about. And not just recognising individuals, but recognising in a joined up, connected, collaborative way, I think is super valuable for an organisation like Mott MacDonald.